Level 1. You open your phone. Just to check the score. One tap. Indian Premier League is live. 18 overs. Match is tight. Bus to minute. You stand near the door. Shoes still on. You haven't even left the house. A boundary. Then a wicket. You freeze. 2 minutes turn into 10. 10 into 20. You finally lock your phone. Step outside. Then unlock it again. Just one more update. Level 2. Now it's routine. Morning starts with scorecards. Night ends with highlights. You're not watching matches. You're tracking them. Stats. Run rate. Net run rate. You refresh the app every few minutes. Even during work. Someone is talking to you. You nod. You didn't hear a word. Your brain is somewhere else. Last over. Last ball. You feel something. A small rush. Dopamine. You don't notice it yet. Level 3. You start planning your day around matches. 7:30 p.m. Everything stops. Dinner gets delayed. Calls get ignored. You sit in your room. Lights off. Screen glowing. Commentary in your ears. Heartbeat matching the game. A6. You smile. A wicket. You feel it. Like it happened to you. But you are not playing. You are just watching. Still, it feels personal. Level 4. You join a group. Friends. Strangers. Everyone talking about the match. Predictions. Arguments. Memes. You send messages fast. Typing without thinking. You feel involved now. Not just a viewer. A participant. Someone says, "Bro, bet laga." You laugh it off. For now. Level 5. You place your first bet. Small amount. Just for fun. 100 rupees. Team wins. You make 180 rupees. It feels different. Not like watching. Now you are in the game. Heart beats faster. Palms slightly sweaty. Money is involved. You tell yourself, "Bas kabhi kabhi." But next match comes. And you are ready again. Level 6. You increase the amount. 500 rupees. 1000 rupees. Losses start. But wins feel stronger. More addictive. You start chasing losses. Next match recover ho jayega. You skip work calls. Ignore messages. Eyes locked on screen. You are not enjoying anymore. You are invested. Emotionally. Financially. Level 7. Now it's serious. 5,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. You track every ball. Every decision matters. You shout at the screen. Like they can hear you. A dropped catch. You feel anger. A bad shot. You feel cheated. You are not watching cricket. You are fighting for money. Your money. Level 8. Your routine is gone. Sleep is broken. You wake up tired. Mind already thinking about matches. You stop going out. Stop meeting people. Everything feels boring. Except IPL. You check scores during meals. In bathroom. Even while talking to family. Your world is shrinking. Into a screen. Level 9. You lose big. One bad match. 25,000 rupees gone. Silence. No excitement. No thrill. Just emptiness. You stare at the screen. Replay highlights. Thinking, where did it go wrong? You don't tell anyone. You just try again. To recover. Level 10. Now it's not about cricket. It's about control. Or the illusion of it. You borrow money. Bus ek last match. Your heart races again. But this time, it feels heavier. More desperate. You are not enjoying wins anymore. You are escaping losses. Level 11. 3 hours. That's all it took today. You opened your phone. Just to check the score. Now it's midnight. Work undone. Messages unread. Mind exhausted. You look at yourself. What did you gain? Nothing. What did you lose? Time. Money. Focus. Level 12. Next day. Same notification. Match starting. Your thumb hovers over the app. You remember everything. The losses, the stress, the regret, silence. Then, you tap it. Score loads. And it starts again.